This right here is Lexus LC500. If you are looking for unparalleled level of luxury in a sports car powered by a glorious, naturally aspirated 5-liter V8, there is simply no other car like this. Furthermore, this particular unit is one and only with a hardtop on the market, fully serviced at Lexus agent in Singapore and in immaculate condition. Let's have a closer look. Just have a look at this magnificent, gorgeous automobile. You can definitely see some design inspirations from the legendary Lexus LFA. Many consider this car as one of the most beautiful cars ever made, and to be honest with you, I do not disagree. Just look at the side silhouette of the car. So beautiful. Sitting on massive 21-inch sport rims wrapped in Pirelli P0 tires with massive brakes and yellow calipers to match the body. Behind, same thing. Also, this car have a very beautiful carbon fiber roof. Just look at this, so nice. This car is beautiful from every angle. Now have a look at behind. So sleek, so stylish. We have dual exhaust exit to pump out the glorious sound of the 5-liter V8. The taillights are very beautiful. They look frosted when off, and when on, they look very 3D. Another interesting thing is the door handle. You press and it pops out. Also, this car features active aero. This spoiler deploys at high speed and also can be deployed with press of a button. And now, let's go in. Alright, we're inside, and first I want to show you the startup sequence. As I press the start button, the steering wheel gently slides towards me. The speedometer cluster is absolutely gorgeous, definitely LFA inspired, and also it changes when I change to a different mode. You see, now we're in Sport and now we're in Sport Plus. Just wow, look, this engine can rev up to 9,000 RPM, naturally aspirated, 5-liter V8. Truly a work of art. Here we have your infotainment system with a very classy Lexus clock. Just look at the overall cabin, guys. This is the most elegant and luxurious cabin I've ever seen in any car. Any car at all. Everything is either leather or Alcantara. The seats are leather with Alcantara. By the way, they are also ventilated. Right now I have very nice chill wind blowing onto my back. The steering wheel is full leather, multifunctional with massive pedal shifters. This car comes with a 10-speed gearbox, so if you want to do spirited driving in manual mode, you're more than welcome to. Alright, of course, the ceiling, full Alcantara roof liner, even on A-pillars as well. Also, this car features a 2+2 seating configuration, and the rear seats, honestly, are very decent. Even a big human being like me can fit inside quite comfortably. What I also like, that we have these two handles over here and there. That's for your passenger to hold on when you put this car to sport mode and unleash the beast. This button over here is to open the storage. Very nice. Also, we have one cup holder here and one cup holder here. How cool. All right. Overall, this car is super comfortable. Such a pleasure to drive. It is really unlike anything out there at all. Alright guys, honestly, the experience driving this car is unparalleled to anything I've tried out there. It is super comfortable, it is super luxurious, and it can most definitely be daily driven. However, once you put it to sport mode and unleash the beast that is naturally aspirated 5-liter V8 engine, it is just wow. In terms of COE, we still got 2 years and 9 months left. Just nice for you to enjoy. This car is definitely prime candidate for renewal because many car enthusiasts around the world, including myself, consider this to be a future classic. All right. So if you want to have a closer look at this unit, it's in our showroom and you'll know what to do. Call me and we'll give you a good deal.